In this video, we will dive deep into the world of Dart programming language. We will start by understanding the basics such as what Dart is, its syntax, and how to run a simple Hello World program. We will then explore the concepts of data types and variables, including the differences between var, const, and final. Main content. Let's begin with the foundation of Dart programming. Dart is a versatile language developed by Google, known for its efficiency and flexibility. The syntax of Dart is similar to other popular programming languages like Java and C++, making it easy to learn and understand. Running a Hello World program in Dart is a fundamental step for any programmer. It serves as a simple introduction to the language's structure and basic functionalities. When working with data types in Dart, you'll encounter various options such as integers, doubles, strings, booleans, and more. Understanding these types is crucial for effective coding. Variables play a significant role in programming, allowing us to store and manipulate data. Dart offers three main variable types: var, const, and final, each with its own purpose and significance. Lists are essential data structures in Dart, enabling us to store collections of objects. We'll explore how to create, modify, and access elements in a list effectively. Moving on to control flow statements, we have if-else statements that help us make decisions based on specific conditions. The ternary operator provides a concise way to write conditional expressions. Switch statements offer an alternative to if-else constructs, particularly useful when dealing with multiple branching conditions. Loops are essential for repetitive tasks in programming. Dart provides different types of loops such as for, while, and do-while loops, each serving unique purposes. Functions allow us to encapsulate reusable code blocks, enhancing code readability and modularity. We will learn how to define, call, and return values from functions. Classes and objects are fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming. We'll delve into creating classes, defining properties and methods, and instantiating objects from classes. The static keyword in Dart provides class-level functionality, allowing us to access properties and methods without instantiating objects. Understanding static members is vital for efficient code organization and optimization. Outro. Whether you are a beginner looking to understand the fundamentals of Dart or an experienced programmer seeking to enhance your knowledge, this video is perfect for you. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid grasp of Dart programming and be ready to tackle more advanced concepts.